Welcome back to Fluentors. You are now on day 7 of your 5-minute English shadowing journey. Today's theme is social and casual conversation English, the type of English people use when talking with friends, colleagues, or new acquaintances. Shadowing helps you improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence naturally. Listen carefully, repeat with the voice, speak out loud. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep speaking. Let's begin. It's been a while since we last talked. It's been a while since we last talked. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? How's everything going these days? How's everything going these days? Have you been busy recently? Have you been busy recently? How is your week going so far? How is your week going so far? 6. My day has been quite productive. My day has been quite productive. I had a pretty relaxed day today. I had a pretty relaxed day today. I've been working on a few important tasks. I've been working on a few important tasks. I spent most of my time finishing my work. I spent most of my time finishing my work. I tried something new today. I tried something new today. I think that sounds like a great idea. I think that sounds like a great idea. Personally, I really enjoy doing that. Personally, I really enjoy doing that. That sounds interesting to me. That sounds interesting to me. I'm not completely sure about that. I'm not completely sure about that. I usually prefer simple and practical things. I usually prefer simple and practical things. 16. That sounds really exciting. That sounds really exciting. 17. That must have been challenging. That must have been challenging. 18. I'm glad things worked out for you. I'm glad things worked out for you. 19. That actually makes a lot of sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. 20. I can totally understand that feeling. I can totally understand that feeling. 21. What do you usually do in your free time? What do you usually do in your free time? 22. Do you enjoy trying new experiences? Do you enjoy trying new experiences? 23. What kind of activities help you relax? What kind of activities help you relax? 24. Have you watched anything interesting recently? Have you watched anything interesting recently? 25. Do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors? Do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors? 26. It was really nice talking with you. It was really nice talking with you. Let's catch up again sometime soon. Let's catch up again sometime soon. I hope we get another chance to talk. I hope we get another chance to talk. Take care and have a wonderful day. Take care and have a wonderful day. Stay safe and keep in touch. Stay safe and keep in touch. Excellent work today. Social English becomes easier when you practice speaking naturally and regularly. Repeat this lesson once more to improve fluency and confidence. Follow Fluentors and join the next session of your 5-minute shadowing journey.